Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Saif Akmal bin Shamsuddin. My number metric CN190192.
Hi, my name is Nurul Ariza Nusasa binti Khairuddin and my metric number is AN190017.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisa Nabila binti Muhammad Rizal. My metric number is CN190052.
Hi, my name is Nur Amanina Zahra binti Abu Mansur. My metric number AN190113.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Nazari. Metric number CN190157.
Okay, for the part of the introduction, which is having three types of system, which is plumbing systems, drainage systems, and sanitary system. For the part of the plumbing system, plumbing is the basic necessity that we use in our daily life. The plumbing system is a system that contains of working pipes, tubing, and plumbing fittings. The system of pipes and the drains built in a building for the distribution of the removal waterborne pollutants. For the drainage system is the process of the draining water from the surface or subsurface of a specific region. Drainage systems are usually intended to dispose of wastewater as fast as possible and to keep sewage and septic tank gases out of residential areas. For the case of residential, drainage systems are used to remove surplus water from homes. And for the sanitary system, is a combination of different functional units that combine together to allow managing and reusing or disposing the different waste flows from a household. The sanitary system will collect all wasting water straight to the public sewer or domestic septic tank. Hence, in order for learning this water drainage and plumbing system, this project is giving us more understanding towards the subject and the topics to have a research on the specific areas. And the purpose of our objective is to understand the types of system drainage and plumbing, to recognize the plumbing plan in a house, to know and find out frequently problems related to the drainage and plumbing system, and to manage the system in a good condition for a long time. And for our scope research is at the residential area of Taman Air Manis in Sabak Benam, which is a twin terrace house, and this is to investigate the type of the system drainage that have been used and the problems frequently happen to the occupants in the house. And any problem related to the system could be avoided and fixed as long as the applying frequently maintenance.
Okay, I will present about the literature review. For the literature review, I will explain about the building background. We already choose the low-cost semi-detached terrace house. This is a semi-D house located at Taman Air Manis, Sabak Benam, Selangor. So this is the residential area. So the drainage system for rainwater runoff are discharged directly into the ditches near housing area. So this residential area has a centralized sewage treatment plant owned by Indah Water Consortium (IWK). So the clean water supply piping distribution system for this residential area is a type of grid system. Okay, I will explain about the type of sanitary system. We have three types of sanitary system. First, single step system. Second, one pipe system or single pipe system. And the third is two pipe system or dual pipe system. Okay, we go through to the first single step system. Stack is located inside or outside the external wall. This system is so far the most commonly used in domestic building. Okay, we go through to the number 2, the one pipe system and single pipe system. One pipe system means two stack in a system. It's far more economical than the two pipe system. This system is so far the most commonly used in domestic building. Okay, we go through to the two pipe system or dual pipe system. This is the oldest system in plumbing system. Okay, and the salt pipe as well as the waste pipe are separately ventilated.
Okay, now I will explain about types of drainage system. Drainage system are divided into two: separate drainage system and combined drainage system. separate drainage system is a system in which the wastewater and stormwater are always kept separated. Two separate sets of sewers are installed, one for collection and conveyance of sanitary sewage and other for stormwater. When a separate system is used, the sewage treatment plant will not get overloaded in periods of wet weather. It is comparatively favoured by the local authorities as the installation and running costs of the sewage treatment plant can be reduced. For combined drainage system in which some or all the stormwater joins the wastewater drainage system. This means that both surface water and fall water will be discharged into the sewage treatment plant. This can be achieved if the surface water is less dense than the fall water and tends to flow on the top in a drain. A separating device can be used to divert the surface water into a storm water channel or drain. Next, plumbing and sanitary fittings. For plumbing fittings, pipe fittings are piping component that helps in changes the direction, connect different components such as couplings, and stop the flows such as cap. There are different types of pipe fitting used in piping such as water tap, shower, plug, switch nipple, cap, cross, valve adapter, coupling, union, reducer, T and elbow. For sanitary fittings, the fittings or appliance used for collection and discharge of solid waste or waste matter is termed as sanitary fittings. Different types of sanitary fittings are required in a building to perform different types of functions. These fittings are also designed and shaped that they non-absorbent surface which can be easily cleaned. For example, basins or sinks, bathtub, urinal bowl, water closet, squat water closet, and bidet.
Okay, I will show the example of the layout plan drawing for the drainage system, plumbing system, and the sanitary system. Okay, we go through for the first. At my right is the drainage system, and we can see the drainage system show the manhole arrangement until the public sewage treatment. Okay, we go through to the top. It's about the plumbing system, and we can see the hot water and cold water arrangement pipe. We can see the isometric drawing and the schematic drawing for the water supply. Okay, we can see, we go through to the third is sanitary system. We can see the drawing about the stack system in use in the drawing for the 3-level building.
Problem of drainage system. Gutter joint separation. Water from the gutter is collected by the downspout and directed to the ground. Downspout transfer water from the roof to the ground and are frequently connected to a building sewer system. The primary function of the gutter is to divert water away from the building's foundation. Poorly functioning gutters and downspouts such as clogging can cause exterior damage by eroding soil and generating moisture problems. No drain in the house area. Previously, this area of the house did have a drain, but now it is gone because it has been cemented. When the owner making home renovation by cementing around the yard because want to expand the parking area. In this case, when there is no drain because it has been cemented, the surface runoff will fall directly onto the cement. This can cause the cement to be easily damaged and perforated over a long period of time. Next is a problem of sanitary system. First, drains undersized and slow. A clogged drain might be caused by an improperly sized drain. People may build and install drains to a house without accounting for the additional pipe load. When the drain hole in the bedroom becomes small, this will cause the water to become full and stagnate during use in the bedroom, such as bathing. This makes the pressure low and the water from the bedroom slow to come out due to the small drain. Second is no sink traps. Another problem found in the sanitary system is does not have a sink trap. The sink in this house is a direct and has no trap. When there is no sink trap, wastewater from the sink will continue to flow into the sewer. This make the wastewater that flows such as food waste, hair, small garbage unfiltered and not trapped first before going to sewer and sink easily clogged. Having a sink trap such as a bottle trap can reduce pollution.
Recommendation and solution for this problem. For the gutter joint separation, we suggest to rejoin gutter, replace gasket and seal. In this country, Malaysia, plastic gutter are highly common for houses. Based on the problem stated, we can see that the gutter is pulling apart from downpipe. Plastic gutters have gaskets to keep them watertight. These gaskets can fail or pull apart as dirt and debris accumulate from high flow of water. So, by fixing this problem, it can help to prevent a wide range of damage such as basement flooding. Then, for the next problem, no drains in the house area, we suggest to install rain dispersal system and drip edge. For rain dispersal system, it can reduce the force and impact of falling rainwater by dividing it into smaller rivulet or even drops. Then for drip edge installation, they are attached to the edge of the roof, can act as an additional barrier to the falling water force and speed. Recommendation and solution for sanitary system problem. First problem is drains undersized and slow. For this problem, we suggest to clear drains and make sure it doesn't clog. The best way to fix a slow drain is to prevent it from happening in the first place by regular cleaning. We also can fix this problem by remove the stopper and clean it. Over time, the metal device used to plug the sink and collect hair and other debris that clogging the drain and causing it to slow down. We also can use a homemade drain cleaner to melt the sludge. It can be done by pour a half cup of baking soda followed of half cup of white vinegar into the clogged drain while the stopper is unscrewed. We also can drain or hacking the pipe drain to make it bigger. It is because it can make fast flow of water to the drains. Then for the second problem is no sink trap. For this problem, we suggest to install at least P-trap. By installing P-trap, it can perform many tasks and give various of benefits. The purpose of P-trap is to catch a small amount of water inside the drain pipe after the sink has been used. This plug prevents fuel gases from entering the wastewater system and exiting through the sink. Lastly, it can function by creating a natural water seal that allows water to flow into the overflow pipe but not backward to the sink.
So we could conclude that the water drainage and plumbing system in a house or any building is important to our life to make our life more convenient. But unfortunately, any error or problems could always happen because all buildings have their own specific design of the system according to their own standards. So this will be different for each type of the building and different types of malfunction. Hence, a regular maintenance to this system need to be made as a prevention. And there were also some effective tips that we could use, that we could search on the Google, and it could save our budget. And if it is quite serious, we could always refer to a more professional person in charge. And prevention action must be taken properly so that all of the system could be function well and could be used for a long time. Thank you.